Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 money-making skills to invest in yourself. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to this channel. Here is a list of some of the most valuable skills that you should think about learning if you want to increase your chances of making money both offline as well as online. You may use these abilities to generate an income from the comfort of your own home, or you could even utilize them to launch your own company. When these lucrative abilities become even more widespread than they already are today in 2022, you'll be able to establish passive income streams with them, and you'll be able to do so with ease. Learning these abilities today will provide you with the opportunity to have a better career in the future, as well as give you an advantage over the other candidates. Skill number 1, copywriting. Another ability that will always be in need, even if conventional print media continue to disappear, is copywriting. Copywriting is the art of creating material for the internet that is fascinating as well as compelling, and if you're excellent at it, you may be able to work from the comfort of your own home. Copywriting is advantageous since it may be put to use in the promotion of any form of business. If you want to become a better writer and develop your own unique style, you should look into taking some of the free writing classes that are available online. Skill number 2, social media management. Since social media is such an important part of using the internet, most companies want to hire people who are good at it. If you're one of these people, knowing how to use social media could help you make money from home. As a social media manager, it will be your job to create and run the company's social media accounts. This could mean, among other things, writing and posting content, responding to comments and messages, and keeping track of data about how well the site is doing. Skill number 3, graphic design. Graphic design is another skill that will always be in demand. This is because the internet and social media are both very visual. Learning graphic design is a skill that could help you make money from home if you are good at making designs that look good. You can use graphic design to make photos for social media, infographics, and more. Graphic design is another skill that can be learned online. There are some great places where you can learn the basics even if you don't know anything about them. You can learn everything you need to know about graphic design from videos on the internet or in YouTube. Skill number 4, mobile app development. Another ability that might help you generate money in 2022 is app development. With so many people eager to download applications each year, understanding how to make your own mobile apps is a valuable skill to have. The beauty of app development is that it isn't only for techies. You don't need to be a computer programmer to learn how to make applications. With drag and drop functionality, you can put together an app even if you don't know anything about programming. Skill number 5, video marketing. Video marketing will be one of the most popular and profitable skills to learn in 2022. Learning how to make and market movies is a skill that will always be in demand, since so many businesses use videos to reach their target audience. Video marketing is a good way to promote any kind of business, no matter what industry it is in. You can learn how to make and edit movies without having to buy expensive software. Instead, you can use free software that you can find online. If you want to use this skill to make money from home, you can list your services on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr and charge people for your work. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Skill number 6, search engine optimization or SEO writing. Another ability that will be in great demand in 2022 is SEO writing. Learning how to optimize website content for improved search engine exposure is a skill that may help you generate money from home as more companies want to rank higher on search engines. Reading up on the current approaches and practicing creating optimized content are 2 ways to master SEO writing. You may be paid to produce SEO material for customers on freelancing sites, or you can set up your own website and provide SEO writing services all in one place. Skill number 7, web design. In spite of the fact that mobile apps are gradually taking over some website functionalities, traditional websites will still be popular in 2022. Learning web design is a skill that may help you create income from the comfort of your own home if you're skilled at creating designs that are visually pleasing and compatible with mobile devices. It comprises a wide array of tasks, ranging from the design of website layouts through the coding of content using HTML and CSS. After that, there is the additional difficulty of ensuring that your websites are responsive and appear amazing on a variety of different devices. This is a talent that will take some time to master. However, you may begin by doing research to learn quicker and increase your knowledge. This video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Skill number 8, email marketing. Email marketing is still a great way to stay in touch with customers, and if you're good at it, you can use it to make money from home. As an email marketer, you would be in charge of setting up and running email campaigns, making email newsletters, and keeping track of how well the campaigns are doing. Email marketing is great because it lets you connect with your audience, build relationships, and make money. Email marketing is no longer just for big businesses, it can help any business. Skill number 9, blockchain development. Although blockchain technology is still in its early phases, it is expected to have a significant influence in the next few years. If you want to be ahead of the curve and understand this developing technology, blockchain programming is a talent that may help you generate money from home. As a blockchain developer, your responsibilities would include building blockchain-based apps, developing smart contracts, and executing cryptocurrency transactions. Although it is a relatively new ability, it is still learnable since there is a wealth of information on this technology accessible online. Number 10, creation of online courses. If you're good at teaching and know a little bit about everything, creating your own online course is a great way to make money from home. Many people are ready and willing to pay for the information you have. This could be a self-paced online course or a series of videos. You can learn just about anything through an online course, from how to use Photoshop to how to start your own business. You can make your own courses and get paid for them in many different places. This brings us to our list of the top 10 most profitable abilities to acquire in 2022. Which ones do you believe will help you earn money and which ones do you think will not? Creation of online courses and video marketing should be at the top of your priority list if you are looking for abilities that can help you generate money in the years to come. That's all for this video and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.